Now what I do, I will just push my code into the repository, right? I will push my code into the repository, and this is a previous thing. I copied this thing from the Git repository. What I do, I will add Git add origin main. First of all, I will just change the branch. See, master doesn't exist over there in the GitHub. Master branch doesn't. What exactly is a branch? Branch is some sort of a separation. See, you have the code and you have some pipeline from which you are pushing your code and it is getting saved. See, your folder, it is a master or main onto which you are filling your code. See, in such condition there must be separation. Why? Because you are a junior developer and there is some senior developer, and junior developer is pushing his code, and there are a lot of bugs and issue related to the code, and he was pushing it into a main code, and that main code is accessed by multiple people, senior developers and mid senior and the project manager. Everyone is accessing that, and when they came to know that this junior developer has made the whole repository garbage and it is not gonna work, for that reason we create multiple branches, and for the junior developer you will provide some branch onto which he can push, and after that senior developer can make changes over there and he can check what changes he had made. For that reason we are maintaining the branches. Branches means separation, like you are providing some separate code base for your junior developer to work with it. Okay, we have the master. See, master doesn't exist over there, it is for you, and you can check out whether other branches exist or not. Like I want main branch. Is the main exist? Okay, what I done, I just checked whether main branch existed in this particular repository or not. Git checkout main, but main doesn't exist, right? Because it is showing that path specific main did not match with any file known to Git. Therefore, what I done, I use git checkout -b main. -b means, see, check whether main branch exists or not, or else -b tells that if doesn't exist, then create a new main branch. Now we have successfully created it. What I do, I will just push, I will add, what I do, git, and in this git I will add the origin master. Git add origin main, sorry, not master, git add origin main, and you have to provide the repository. This is the repository. Okay, what I do, I will just use git remote add origin, and here I will use paste, and okay, now we have successfully added the repository to the main branch. Like this is the the URL which we copied from the repository, and we have connected both of them. We have connected our local repository with the repository that existed in the GitHub. Now what I do, I push my code. Push and origin. Now it will push all my code what I have into the repository, and this is how we go with it. Now I can pull that code. Now it will pull every code that is present over there to mine. What I do, I will create a new branch. I will just show you how to create a new branch, how I can create a junior branch for this. Like the crowd strike happened because of that guy, right? Okay, we have the git branch, junior branch. I have created a new branch like the junior branch, and I will just move to the junior branch. Okay. Okay, I have changed it to junior branch. Now I will clear everything, and what I do, I will go into the Git, and here, okay, it is a junior branch. Under the junior branch, I am going to create a new file for my junior, and this is a file, and here he's gonna make some changes, and just insert into this, and after this what he does, he will crashes this rocket into Pacific Sea, crash into Pacific Ocean, collect the garbage, escape. Okay, done. Now the junior has created some things into that o.txt file, and when he push that thing over there, how he pushes, git push origin junior branch. Now he pushed his code to the junior branch. See, he pushed it to junior branch. Now he will add now everything is done. Now I will show you how it is going over there inside that particular GitHub repository. Actually the thing is that we haven't added the file over here. We haven't added the git add dot and git commit -m added the files. Okay, we have successfully added the o.txt file into that. As a junior developer, I have done that. Now I will just go over there in the GitHub to check how it is working. Okay, this is how we go with it. Okay, here we have the app application, and here as you can have a look over here, this is the app application, and we have push our code into the main, and as you can have a look over here, this is the o.txt file that we have pushed into this app application, and we have also created junior branch, right? This is the junior branch, and under which we have the o.txt file. And as a senior developer, I will go into that particular file. I will go into that o.txt file created by my junior, and I will review everything that he has written, and everything, if it is fine, then I will merge his files or his repository, his branch into the main branch, and we can do it using the git merge and using that for particular branch name with the main name. Okay, we'll go with it. Okay, okay, as I can have a look over here, I made some file changes in the o.txt, right? On top of that, my junior has developed some code on that. He crashed the rocket in Pacific Sea, and I added that into my code using git merge junior branch. Now if I check my branch, okay, vim.o.txt, as you can have a look over here, his code is merged into my code. Like, I am a senior developer, he is a junior, he developed some code where I have written a 3 code as a senior developer: assemble, move and launch. And as a junior developer, he crashed that rocket into the Pacific Ocean, and I merged his code into mine using the git merge. And this is how we go with branch merging. This is how we merge 2 branches, and this is all about Git and GitHub. Sorry, GitHub. We have some additional topics to cover. This is all about the Git. Okay, now I am going to show you how we can fork a project. What is a difference between forking project, cloning, and doing other things? See, what does Git clone does is that it will download the code from the GitHub into your local system, and you cannot do anything apart from that. Using the fork, you can able to make a copy of the repository into your account, GitHub account, and you can do changes in your GitHub account, and you can create a pull request for the new user. Like, you can contribute your code into another one. How we can do that? See, I'll show you some React repository. This is the React. I will use React GitHub to go over there. This is the React GitHub, and here we have the Facebook/React, and we have a lot of issues over here. What exactly are the issues? See, issues are nothing but they might be having some issue, they have having some bugs, or they are having some discussions, and they want to release the product. For that, they want everything to be done perfectly, or they want to add a new feature into the repository. For those all things, a issue tab is created onto which you can search anything, and you can fix that, you can contribute to that, you can fix that. And here we have the pull request. Pull request means when you fork this project, you can make a copy of this project, and you can contribute into that project, and you can create a pull request that, see, I have made a copy of your project, and I done some changes in that, and now please take my code and add it into your repository. This is what the pull request is. See, and after the pull request, we have the actions. GitHub actions are normally used for continuous integration and development operation, that is discussed further. And we have project, inside which we have multiple React chains going on, and this is all about it. I will show you how you can fork it. You can make a copy of it. See, here we have the fork, and here it's my name, it's my username, this is React, and this is everything. Create fork, done. Nothing apart from this. It is creating a copy of the React project that is actually developed by Facebook into my repository, that is it's Shashank, my username, under which the React folder is created. Now, how I can able to contribute into this project? I just go into the readme file. This is the readme file. Okay, this is the readme file. I will go into this readme file. This is the readme file. Here you have the edit file option, and what you do, you create some edit example, and you can show that okay, I'm tutorial edit and if everything is done, you can commit the changes. What you do, added tutorial things into the readme file and you can commit the changes. And once it is committed, what you do, you go over there and you can create a pull request. Here you have the you need to come, this is the code where you have made the changes, and this is the pull request where you have to come, you have to create a new pull request, and this is the updated file what you updated, you just made a change and create a pull request, and you update this all things, and once you create it, and a pull request goes into it, and it directly merges into it, and everything is done. This is how we contribute into it. Please don't do like this. I will just delete these all things after this, and this is how we contribute into the projects, and this is all about Git, GitHub, and version control system.